Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Many of you might be wondering, can PCSX2 play PS1 games? It's a common question, and one that deserves a clear, straightforward answer. No, PCSX2 cannot play PlayStation 1 games. While it might seem intuitive to think a PlayStation 2 emulator could handle its predecessor's titles, given that the original PS2 console itself offered backward compatibility for PS1 discs, the reality of emulation is a bit more complex. PCSX2 is specifically designed to emulate the PlayStation 2 hardware, which is a fundamentally different architecture from the original PlayStation. Think of it this way. A PS2 emulator replicates the PS2 CPU, GPU, sound chip, and other components. These components are distinct from those found in the PS1. Trying to run a PS1 game on PCSX2 is akin to trying to run a PlayStation 2 game directly on a PlayStation 1 console. It simply lacks the necessary hardware or, in the emulator's case, the specific code paths and system calls to interpret and execute the PS1's unique instruction set and BIOS. The confusion often stems from the fact that original PlayStation 2 consoles had a dedicated PS1 mode, essentially a stripped-down PS1 built into the PS2 hardware, allowing it to read and play PS1 discs. However, PCSX2 is not emulating that specific backward compatibility feature of the PS2 console. It's emulating the PS2's primary function as a PS2. Its core programming is focused on the complexities of the Emotion Engine and graphics synthesizer, not the MIPS R3000 CPU and GPU of the PS1. Attempting to load a PS1 ISO or disk image into PCSX2 will typically result in an error, a black screen, or simply the emulator failing to recognize the game format altogether. PCSX2's robust development over many years has been entirely dedicated to perfecting the emulation of the PlayStation 2, pushing the boundaries of what's possible for that console's vast library. It excels at playing PS2 games, often with enhancements like higher resolutions, texture filtering, and custom shaders that far surpass the original console's capabilities. So, if PCSX2 isn't the answer for your PS1 nostalgia, what is? Fortunately, the world of PlayStation 1 emulation is incredibly rich and mature, with several excellent options specifically designed for playing PS1 games. Top contenders include DuckStation, which is widely regarded as one of the best for its accuracy, performance, and extensive feature set, offering modern enhancements like true widescreen hacks, PGXP geometry correction, and high-resolution rendering. Another fantastic choice is ePSXe, a long-standing and reliable emulator that has been around for decades, known for its strong compatibility and plugin system. For those who prefer an all-in-one solution, RetroArch is an excellent platform that can run PS1 games through various cores, like PCSX Rearmed or Beetle PSXHW, offering a unified interface for multiple systems. Each of these dedicated PS1 emulators requires a PS1 BIOS file, just as PCSX2 requires a PS2 BIOS to properly boot and run games. In summary, while PCSX2 is an indispensable tool for experiencing the PlayStation 2 library with modern enhancements, it is not equipped to play PlayStation 1 games. For those, you'll need a dedicated PS1 emulator like DuckStation, ePSXe, or RetroArch. Choosing the right emulator for the right console ensures the best possible gaming experience, allowing you to fully enjoy the incredible libraries of both the PlayStation 1 and PlayStation 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more emulation tips and guides.